That little brown bottle sitting in your medicine cabinet has a quiet partner sitting on your kitchen shelf right now. Together they cost about $3, and yet they can replace dozens of expensive health, dental, and cleaning products your pharmacy is happily selling you for 10 times the price. We are talking about hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. And chances are you have been mixing them wrong, or not at all, your entire life. Most people only think of baking soda for cooking and hydrogen peroxide for scraped knees. But here's the thing. The dental abscess paste your pharmacy sells for $40 is mostly this exact mixture. The whitening kits they charge $60 for, same chemistry. They just hope you never figure out the ratio. Just to be clear, we are talking about the regular 3% hydrogen peroxide and the plain baking soda you can grab at any pharmacy or grocery store. So let's get into it. Number 1, whiten your teeth better than a $60 kit. Walk down the dental aisle and you will see whitening strips, pens, and kits running $20 to $100. The active ingredient in nearly all of them is hydrogen peroxide. The booster in the most expensive ones? Baking soda. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with enough 3% hydrogen peroxide to form a thin paste. Apply it to your teeth with a soft toothbrush. Let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. Brush gently, rinse thoroughly. Done 2 or 3 times a week for 2 weeks, this lifts coffee, tea, and wine stains. The baking soda gently scrubs while the peroxide bleaches them out. The pharmacy charges $50 for this exact chemistry in a tube. This is not a Hollywood white smile overnight, but plenty of people swear by it as a way to noticeably brighten their teeth without the sensitivity that high concentration strips often cause. Number 2, heal minor gum infections and dental abscesses. This is the one most people have no idea about, and it is genuinely worth the entire video. The dental abscess pastes and gum treatment kits at the pharmacy run $20 to $40. The active chemistry in most of them is hydrogen peroxide stabilized by baking soda. For a swollen gum or the early stages of a minor abscess, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with enough 3% hydrogen peroxide to form a paste. Apply a small amount directly to the gum line with a clean cotton swab. Let it sit for 30 seconds. Rinse thoroughly. Do this twice a day. Most people see significant improvement within 2 to 3 days. But here's the important part. A serious dental abscess can become life-threatening if it spreads. If you have severe pain, fever, or facial swelling, see a dentist immediately. This is not a substitute for real dental care. For minor flare-ups, though, this is the same chemistry the pharmacy charges $30 for. Number 3, deep clean burnt pots and stained pans. Open any cleaning aisle and you will see specialty cookware cleaners running $10 to $15 a bottle. Almost all of them are some version of this exact combination. Sprinkle a thick layer of baking soda over the burnt area in the pan. Pour 3% hydrogen peroxide over the baking soda until it forms a paste. Let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour. Scrub with a non-abrasive sponge. Rinse. The fizzing reaction lifts burnt food and dark, staining off stainless steel, glass, ceramic, and enameled cookware without scratching the surface. It also works on oven racks, sheet pans, casserole dishes, and the inside of stained coffee mugs. Number 4, kill mold and mildew without bleach. Mold sprays at the pharmacy and hardware store run $8 to $15 and contain harsh bleach that fades grout and damages caulking. This combination kills mold more effectively and does not destroy your bathroom. Mix half a cup of baking soda with enough 3% hydrogen peroxide to form a thick paste. Apply directly to the moldy grout, caulk, or tile. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes. Scrub with an old toothbrush. Rinse with warm water. The peroxide kills the mold at the spore level while the baking soda scrubs out the discoloration. For severe mold, leave the paste on overnight. This works on shower curtains, window sills, and the rubber seal around your washing machine door. Number 5, eliminate foot odor and soften calluses at the same time. Foot soaks, callus removers, and odor treatments at the pharmacy can run $15 to $30 each. You're about to replace all of them. Fill a basin with warm water. Add half a cup of baking soda and half a cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide. Soak your feet for 20 to 30 minutes. The baking soda softens dead skin and neutralizes acids. The peroxide kills the bacteria that cause foot odor. After the soak, scrub gently with a pumice stone and the calluses lift right off. Do this once a week for maintenance or 2 to 3 times for stubborn calluses. Within 2 weeks, most people see a dramatic difference. Number 6, unclog drains without harsh chemical cleaners. Liquid drain cleaners cost $10 to $15 per bottle and are full of chemicals that damage your pipes over time. This method costs cents and is genuinely safer for your plumbing. Pour half a cup of baking soda down the slow or clogged drain. Follow with half a cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide. You will hear a foaming reaction. Let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes. Flush with hot water. The reaction breaks down hair, grease, soap scum, and the biofilm that builds up inside drain pipes. For tougher clogs, repeat. This works on bathroom sinks, kitchen sinks, shower drains, and tub drains without eating through PVC or damaging the seals like commercial drain cleaners can. Number 7, lift set-in laundry stains and deodorize whites. Specialty stain removers and laundry boosters run $8 to $15 per bottle. This combination replaces all of them. For set-in stains, mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of 3% hydrogen peroxide. Apply directly to the stain. Let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour. Wash as normal. This lifts coffee, wine, sweat, blood, and the yellow underarm staining that ruins white shirts. The peroxide bleaches the discoloration, while the baking soda neutralizes odor at the source. For an entire load of whites, add half a cup of each directly to your washing machine along with detergent. Spot test on colored fabrics first. Number 8, deep clean your oven without toxic spray. Commercial oven cleaners are some of the harshest chemicals you can buy. They cost $10 to $15 a can, fill your house with fumes, and leave residue you bake into your next meal. There is a better way. Sprinkle a thick layer of baking soda all over the inside of your oven. Spray or pour 3% hydrogen peroxide over the baking soda until it foams into a paste. Let it sit for several hours, ideally overnight. Wipe out with a damp cloth. The baked-on grease and burnt food lift away with almost no scrubbing. No fumes, no chemical residue, no need to keep kids or pets out of the kitchen for hours afterward. This same method works on stovetops, range hoods, microwave interiors, and toaster ovens. Number 9, freshen your dishwasher and washing machine. If your appliances have started smelling musty, that is bacteria and biofilm buildup. The pharmacy sells cleaning tablets for $10 to $20 a box. You do not need them. For your dishwasher, sprinkle half a cup of baking soda across the bottom. Pour 2 cups of 3% hydrogen peroxide into the detergent compartment. Run an empty hot cycle. For your washing machine, mix half a cup of each into a spray bottle. Spray the rubber gasket and inside of the drum. Let it sit for 30 minutes, then wipe clean. Then run an empty hot cycle with another half cup of each in the drum. Do this monthly to keep both appliances running fresh. Number 10, make a natural deodorant that actually works. Commercial deodorants cost $5 to $12 a stick and contain aluminum and synthetic fragrances that build up in your pores and stain your shirts yellow. Mix 3 tablespoons of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of 3% hydrogen peroxide. Stir into a paste. Apply a pea-sized amount under each arm. Let it dry for 30 seconds before getting dressed. The baking soda absorbs sweat and neutralizes odor. The peroxide kills the bacteria that create the smell in the first place. Many people who switch to this report no body odor for an entire day, even in summer. If you have sensitive skin, dilute with more water and patch test first. And number 11, make your produce safer to eat. The fruits and vegetables you bring home from the grocery store carry bacteria, pesticide residue, and dirt that plain water will not fully remove. Fill a clean sink with cold water. Add a quarter cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Soak fruits and vegetables for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with clean water. This combination has been shown to remove dangerous bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella, along with the pesticide residue that water alone misses. On top of that, this wash extends shelf life by several days because it reduces the bacteria that speed up spoilage. For a couple of dollars, that is a pretty incredible return. Now, a quick word of caution. Always stick with regular 3% hydrogen peroxide for everything we just covered. The stronger food grade version, which is 35%, can burn your skin and is dangerous if inhaled or swallowed. When you mix hydrogen peroxide and baking soda, use the mixture right away. The reaction starts immediately, and the paste loses its potency within about an hour. Never store the mixed paste in a sealed container because the gas released can build up pressure and burst the lid. And never mix hydrogen peroxide with vinegar in the same container. The reaction produces peracetic acid, which can irritate your skin, eyes, and lungs. Baking soda and peroxide are safe together. Vinegar and peroxide are not. This channel is all about sharing useful common sense tips that help you stop wasting things and stretch your money further. We post many more ideas like this. So if you find these videos helpful, subscribe and stay up to date. Your wallet will thank you.